Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. One of my favorite tools that I've probably used for the past 30 years or more. Actually, yeah, I'm almost 60, so yeah, since I was about 18 years old, we used Milwaukee whole hogs. And this particular whole hog's probably over 20 years old. And recently when I was making some log furniture, it started to smoke, and or it started to smell like some burnt. And the one thing I want to tell you is, you know, you can keep these running for a long time. Don't go out and buy a brand new one. If you take care of it, I've replaced triggers, I've replaced switches, I've replaced the brushes, and Today I'm going to show you how to replace the brushes, since that's what I need to do. So today is all about brush replacement. And Milwaukee whole hogs are probably the most used drill in construction for drilling holes. I mean, you got to be careful with them. I usually never run them on low, because on low you could just really, I mean, they got a lot of torque. I usually run them on high, and that way I'm strong enough to stop it for the most part. But yeah, I used to have to teach the young guys, you know, when you're drilling a hole overhead, don't have this arm in front of your face. A lot of guys have gotten knocked out from this whole hog. But this is a great drill, and yeah, let's get started. I'll show you. We're going to replace it. We're going to replace the brushes so we can get another 20 years life out of this thing. Yeah, let's get started. First off, it's super simple. You can see this little plug right here. That's where your brushes are. And I usually get a fat screwdriver, works the best for those. Pull off that cap, and there's your little brush. Now, I'm of the impression that this brush is pretty wore out, because I've had this thing a long time. So you can see it actually doesn't look that bad. But you can see the difference. So there's about a 1/4 inch difference in those two. So we'll see if that makes a big difference. And then you basically just slide that in there. Slide the new one in. Hold it in there and then put the plug in. And that's all there is to that. Let's see the other side now. Yeah, that one's quite a bit smaller. So you can see both of them are about a 1/4 inch low. So we'll put this new one in. Put the cap on. that's all there is to it. Now I should be able to get 10 or 15 more years out of that. And yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of replacing the brushes in a Milwaukee drill. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.